Hey there, I'm Jenny and this is Casey and we're two of Festival's Mealtime Mentors. This video is part of our Sips and Snack series where we pair tasty food with delicious drinks.
Yes, and today we're pairing wine from Parallel 44 with one of our favorite dessert recipes.
That's right, Casey. So Parallel 44 is located in Kewaunee, Wisconsin on the east side of the state, and we had the opportunity to go out there and it is absolutely beautiful out there. There are like rolling hills, so a very different landscape than what we see here in Green Bay.
Yes, and with that kind of different landscape, Maria, one of the owners, was telling us about how the types of grapes that they can grow are different, which means that the types of wines that they can make are different, which I never thought about before.
Right.
But it's very interesting. So definitely it's worth a visit. We sell their wines in our stores, but definitely worth a visit out there to the winery too, because like you said, it's just beautiful.
Yeah, and they have a lot of wines that are exclusive to their tasting room, so you can grab a bottle of special wine when you're out there as well.
Yes.
So today we are pairing with our dessert with one of their red wines.
Yep, so we're going with the Frozen Tundra line. This is the red from that. It's kind of a medium-bodied red. You can kind of see that it's got some good color, but it's not super dark. So I think it's a good wine for, even if you're not necessarily a red wine person usually, I think it's a really good wine for everyone.
Exactly. And the dessert we're pairing it with is a chocolate covered strawberry brownie.
Yum.
So good. So this is a really simple recipe. It's simply a brownie base with fresh strawberries on top and then a rich chocolate ganache.
Yes. So to start with our wine tasting, Maria was telling us about the 5 S's of wine tasting. So the first one is sight. So you just kind of take a look at the wine, and like I kind of mentioned, that you can see that the color is definitely a deep red, but you can still see through it with the clarity is what I guess they call that. So yeah, a really nice color with this one.
And then the second S is to give it a swirl, and that really releases the aromas in the wine because a good majority of what we taste is actually from smell, so we want to release those aromas.
Yes, I can already smell them coming up. So that's the third S, is sniff. Give this a little sniff, and you can really get those aromas. This kind of has like a cherry sort of aroma to it, which is really, really nice.
And then the fourth S is to take a sip.
My favorite part. Very fruity. It's got like a cherry aroma, but then the flavors are more of those dark fruits, kind of like blackberry.
And plum.
Yes.
Yeah, very tasty.
Yes, and then the last S is savor. So just kind of let that wine sit in your mouth for a little bit and really get all of those nice flavors.
All right, so let's do the same thing again with our brownies.
Yum, yum, yum. Yes, so these have a nice brownie base. They've got some fresh strawberries and then a really rich ganache on top.
It's so good.
I love the pairing of strawberries and chocolate. It's so classic.
And what's better than putting that with red wine?
Nothing.
Ooh. So the acidity from the wine cuts through that richness of the ganache.
Yes, but like there's still that nice fruitiness with the wine that goes really well with the strawberry flavor.
So good. So we hope you give this pairing a try at home. You can pick up a bottle of the wine in our stores and find the recipe at festfoods.com/meals.